Feeling the rage of an Nvidia app error on your Windows 11 machine? Let's troubleshoot the dreaded "there was a problem with the Nvidia app error on Windows 11, a problem that can seriously put a damper on your gaming or creative workflow." First, we're going to start by fully closing the Nvidia app. Right-click the Nvidia App icon in your system tray, and then click Quit. Ensure the app is completely shut down before moving on. Next, we will check if our drivers are the root cause of the issue. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click on your Nvidia graphics card, select Update Driver, choose Search automatically for drivers, and let Windows search for the latest driver updates online. If a new driver is found, let it install, then restart your computer. If updating didn't work, we'll move to a driver reinstall. Let's access apps and features through your settings menu. Find the Nvidia app and uninstall it. Next, go to the Nvidia website and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card and reinstall them. But if that doesn't work, it might relate to conflicts with Windows or other applications. Make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated by checking for updates in your Windows settings. Also, ensure that other applications are not interfering with the Nvidia app by temporarily disabling background programs or checking for known compatibility quirks. If errors still persist, consider using a system restore point to roll back your system to a time before the problem started, or checking Nvidia forums for any specific troubleshooting guides for your card. With these steps, you should be well on your way to banishing that pesky Nvidia error, so you can get back to your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful computer tips.